everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Christina Danielle if you are new here, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm so excited to have you guys on my channel. Today's video, I'm showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle right here. It's super quick and super easy. It's Fulani braid inspired. You know, I'll put a picture up of what they really look like. It has the braids in the front, the braid in the middle. But I think it's really cute, and I wanted something that I can do with my natural hair and still be cute. I can wear it in a puff, or I can wear my natural hair out like a big puff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're not already a subscriber, stop what you're doing and go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content. Make sure you hit that bell as well, and I'm going to go ahead and get on into the video of how I achieved this look. Everyone, all right, so I'm gonna get started with the tutorial. So I have my hair in like a fro hawk type of thing, so I'm just taking my pins down. For this style, you're gonna need some hair jewels, a comb, and I'm using some edge control by Hicks, and any type of hair bow or clips to keep your hair separated. So for starters, I'm just gonna separate my hair into halves, and then the back half I'm just gonna go ahead and put in a ponytail. And now I'm starting to prepare my hair for that middle braid. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm just separating the two parts on each side. Now I'm using Hicks edge control, and then I'm just going to start braiding that hair going backwards. So I'm not the perfect or the best braider, but I am getting better, so I'm just going to continue to do styles until I can perfect it. But I'm just rolling the ends up into a bantu knot, and there's my first braid. Okay, so the second braid, I'm going down to my ear and then across. So that's how I'm doing that part. And my parting is not perfect. For some reason, I just cannot get parts perfect, but I'm working on it. And I'm doing the exact same thing as I did for the center braid. I'm going to add a little bit of edge control just to contain those edges. And then I'm going to begin braiding down. So for whatever reason, I can braid downward better than I can going upward, if that makes any sense. But I think I am getting better. And also, if you're not good at braiding, this style would look just as good in twist. So if you're not a braider, you definitely can get away with doing a twist. Alright, so I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. Adding a little bit of edge control, and then I'm beginning to braid down. So everything I do on one side as far as braids, I do on the opposite side, because I don't want it to be unequal or anything like that. And then I just roll it into a bantu knot. And then I'm just going to continue to braid downward. I think I did about 4 braids going down. And here is baby Hendrix. He just woke up from a nap and he just needed some kisses. Alright, so I just continue the pattern of braiding downward and then roll into a bantu knot. Hendrix is such a mama's boy. Alright, now these 2 sections is left at the top. I totally had no clue what to do. I was definitely winging it at this point. But I decided to make one more cornrow on each side, and then the remaining hair do 2 just single braids. So that's what I'm doing right here, is rolling the cornrow, and then right here I am braiding the hair. And then I'm going to roll that into a bantu knot. So all the way across, you see bantu knots. Alright, so now at this point, you can put your hair in 2 puffs, you can leave it out, you can put it in a twist out, but I'm just decided to do it in a puff. So I'm picking my hair moving upward. And then I'm just laying my baby hairs. And that's really it to the style. Now I'm adding little hair jewelry, but it's totally optional. But I just feel like it makes the hairstyle pop. And here's baby Hendrix again. Right, and I'm just adding more hair jewelry. And that's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video.